Hello, and I am so happy to get to share with you some ideas for the letter O. Today's theme is O is for octopus. So we started by decorating the letter O today in my online classes. I just used some streamer to make 8 legs, or I guess you could say arms, and I just drew on a face, and that was just an easy and fun way to decorate our letter O. Then we practice writing the letter O, and this is the way I teach letter O. I just say start at the top and then go all the way around and back, right where you left off. So start at the top and go all the way around and back. I'll show you on handwriting paper, and you can get a copy of this handwriting house sheet absolutely free from my website. Just look below for the link. So just go start at the top and go around and back. Start at the top and go around and back. Start at the top and go around and back. So that's the big letter O, and the little O looks the same as the big O, doesn't it? It's just a little bit smaller. So all you have to do is start at the top, go around and back, but just make it a little bit smaller. And on handwriting paper, make it downstairs, around and back, around and back, around and back. So that's the little letter O. And now it's time to talk about the sound that letter O makes. Letter O makes this sound, ah. Letter O is a vowel. Can you help me sing the vowel song? A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. The vowels are special because every word must have one. If it doesn't have a vowel, then it's not a word. So we spend a good bit of time working through the vowels. And every time we talk about a vowel, we get a visit from one of the vowel people. And there he is, but oh no, my friend O has a sore throat and he needs to go to the doctor. When he gets to the doctor says, open your mouth and say, ah. Can you make that sound? Ah. My friend O says, ah. We're going to practice that sound. And today O is for octopus. And if you hear an ah sound in the middle of the word, I want you to wave your arms like an octopus. If you don't hear an ah in the middle, don't wave your arms. Are you ready? Okay, the first word is top. Here's a hint. Watch my mouth. If I make the ah sound, my mouth looks like an O. Ah. Okay, the first word is top. Top. Yes, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wave your arms like an octopus. Top has ah in the middle. The next word is pop. Pop. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. The next word is tap. Tap. No, don't wiggle because tap has an ah. What letter makes that ah? Choo. That's letter A. What about lot? Lot. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What about pen? Pen? No, pen has an eh and E in the middle. What about sit? Sit. No, sit has I in the middle. That's icky eye. The next one is pot. Pot. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. The next one is knob. Knob, like a door knob. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. The next one is hop, like the Easter bunny. hop, wiggle, 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 wiggle. The next one is stop, stop, wiggle, 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 wiggle. The next one is cob, wiggle, 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 wiggle. And dot, dot, wiggle, 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 wiggle. The last one is bus. Bus does not have ah in the middle. What does bus have in the middle? Bus. That is letter U. And you did a great job with our letter time today. So I'm demonstrating what I did today with my online class parents and or teachers. And now for math, we did something special. We had a treat, a dot to dot page, and we counted all the way to 20. So I'll do that now with you. 1, 2, help me count. 3, 4, 5. And let me say, if you want to pause and get this and come back and finish it, the link is below. It's the weekly lesson plan and worksheets on my website. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now here come the teens. Put a teen at the end of these numbers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that was a really fun way to count and do math for OS for Octopus. For music and movement time, we did a really cool octopus song from the Learning Company, and it was just to have an octopus band, and in the song you were going to drum. Let's practice before we put the song on. Drum. And in the song you're going to play a trumpet. You're also going to play the guitar. You can also kick your feet, kick your feet like you're kicking in the sand at the beach. So I'll put the link below so you can pause and take a little brain break if you need to and do music and movement time. After that, we did art, and for art today, we made a toilet paper roll octopus. It was super cute and very easy. You can paint it whatever color you want. Cut slits in the bottom, 8 of them, and then add wiggly eyes and a mouth. And if you want to, use a hole punch and some colorful paper and glue on some dots. So that was art for today. For science, we did something really, really fun, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. Now, I saw this idea online, and I am going to put the link below to the person that I saw do this because I thought it was so cute, and I want to give her the credit for it for sure. But my students really loved it today. So I just took a Ziploc bag, a big Ziploc bag, and drew on a simple octopus. And then I talked about how an octopus doesn't have bones. Instead, an octopus has this squishy, ooey stuff inside. So I'm going to pour some water in this bag to represent that. And an octopus isn't invisible. I can almost see straight through this. An octopus is usually a color. So I'm going to put some red food coloring in here and make my octopus red. So I'm just going to get all the air out and close it up. Now, do you think that I could get this octopus into this little hole? Because, you know, an octopus likes to get into little cracks and little holes in the rocks. Do you think I can make this octopus go into that little hole? Let's find out. Let's give it a try. All right, here we go. Ooh, I don't know about this. Can we make this big giant octopus go in this little, wait a minute, in this little tiny hole? Wait just a minute. Look at that. Look what's happening. Ta-da! That big octopus went in that teeny tiny hole. It's because the octopus is just squishy and ooey, and it has no bones. And so it's easy to squish around and move into tight spaces. But what if we put some bones in there? Let's do that right now. I'm just putting in some popsicle sticks to represent bones inside the octopus's body. And then we close it up. So now do you think we can get this octopus into this little hole? Let's just find out. Let's try it and see. Okay. Let's get them in there. Get in the hole. It's starting to come through. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can. Uh-oh. We have a problem with all those bones. I can't push them anymore through that hole. The bones aren't very bendable, so it's really hard. I can't squish them and move them around. So the octopus can't go through the hole now that he has bones. So you can see how beneficial or helpful it is for an octopus not to have bones. God designed an octopus with no bones so that it could squeeze in little tiny places like in between rocks when it needs to get away and be safe from predators. Pretty cool. Well, our story for today is called Octopus Arms, and it is by Keith Baker. My octopus arms. Octopus, what can all your 8 arms do? Oh, little crab, let me show you. My arms can knit a sweater, write a letter, bake a pie, and wave goodbye. My arms can tie a bow, perform a puppet show, strum a chord, and saw a board. My arms can do all this and more. My arms can play games of chess, clean up a mess, drag a stick, and take a photo. Click, click, click. My arms can stir the pots, untangle knots, and swing a bat. Yes, my arms can do all that. My arms can pull on socks, unlock the locks, dig a hole, and climb up a pole. My arms can catch the fishes, wash the dishes, build a wall, and boing, boing, bounce a ball. Boing, 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 boing. My arms can play a sport of any sort. My arms can do it all. And what's the very best? Well, did you know that my octopus arms can grow and grow to reach out wide and pull somebody to my side? With a hug not too tight, my arms can make it feel all right. My arms can do this anytime. All arms can. Yours and mine. The end. Well, Sue, let's use our arms to give a big hug to our friends watching. And you can use your arms to hug someone and cheer them up, like in the story. An octopus has 8 arms, so they're really good at hugging. I'll see you next time for letter P. Goodbye and have a great day.